In a world that moves fast, where everyone seems to be sprinting towards success, there lies an ancient secret that's often overlooked. Greatness doesn't come in leaps. It's built, one small step at a time. Imagine a mountain towering high into the clouds. From a distance, it looks impossible to scale. But for those with the courage to start, it's not the summit they focus on. It's the first step. Every story of triumph you admire, every hero you look up to, they began just like you, with nothing but a goal, a dream, and the willingness to show up day after day, even when progress was invisible. They understood that the journey to greatness isn't made of grand leaps, but rather of small, seemingly unremarkable actions taken consistently over time. Think of water flowing over rock. A single drop may seem powerless, but over years that same drop carves through solid stone. This is the power of persistence, the magic of small actions repeated with intent and dedication. These tiny, steady movements shape the world, shape you. On some days, taking that small action won't feel rewarding. You might question if it even matters, but every step forward, however small, plants a seed, and like all seeds, growth is happening beneath the surface, even when you can't see it. Your job, keep planting, keep watering, keep trusting. You may be facing moments of doubt, wondering if your effort is in vain. The world may feel quiet, as if no one's cheering for you, as if no one's watching. But remember, the greatest transformations happen in silence, away from the applause. It's in those moments, when you choose to continue, that your spirit strengthens, your character forms. Because courage isn't always loud. Sometimes courage is that whisper inside you that says, I'll try again tomorrow. When you're tired, when progress is slow, remember that every hero's journey is paved with days like these. Days of doubt, days of fatigue, but also days of courage, of quiet resilience, and unshakable faith in the purpose of their path. It's the daily uncelebrated actions that make us. The decision to rise early and train. The choice to spend 1 hour a day learning a new skill. The commitment to read, to reflect, to grow. It's not flashy, but it's these small choices that forge our future. Imagine looking back a year from now and seeing that every step you took, every day you showed up, created a path that leads to where you want to be. Imagine knowing that each small action brought you one step closer to a life you're proud of. That's the power you hold today. So if you're climbing your mountain, remember, it's okay if it feels slow. Progress doesn't have to be seen to be real. Keep going. One day, you'll reach a place where you'll look back at every small step with gratitude. You'll see that it wasn't a single leap that made you, but the countless small actions you chose over and over again. Stay consistent. Stay resilient. The journey is long, but every step forward builds the strength you'll need to reach the top. Keep going.